Welcome to the Wiki Dojo. I wanted to walk through an example of how it is that you fork a page. So in this situation, what I wanted to do is to go from my home page, my welcome page, and I'd like to fork a page that Corey has started so that I can then write on that. So I'm going to come down here and you can see the members of the dojo. I'm going to go to recent changes. And so I'm going to see the page that I know that I just created, that Corey just created, and I want to go and actually start adding to and writing on that page. And then essentially what I'm doing is I'm going to be copying that page, his page, to my wiki. I'm going to write on it and then give him an opportunity for him to copy it back to his, or what we call fork it back to his wiki. So I'm going to look down here, I'm going to see under recent changes, I'm going to see that there's this new page called Genuine Connecting that has been written on by one person. So that's Corey. You can see that it's his page. And I'm going to click on that. And when that clicks on that, what I'm going to see is the page that he started with his color blue for his wiki. It has this one line of copy, which is just the beginning of the question to be used in this dialogue. And you'll notice that there's a blue halo around the page. That means that this is a page from a wiki site that is connected to my site, but is not my site. This is someone else's wiki. So I'm looking at someone else's wiki here when I see the blue. Now, in order for me to now fork that to my site so that I make a copy of it that I can now write on, I will simply click on this flag button which says fork this page. Once I fork it, you'll see that blue halo will go away. Now what happens, you'll see that the color of the page is changed to my color, and that you'll see now that there's this version of Corey's which is the same. As soon as I, however, begin to write on that, you'll notice that his page will now be seen as an older page because I am now updating that page with the new. So I'm going to click on this plus button here to add a paragraph, and I'm going to say something new. So I'm just going to write some arbitrary copy. Press the escape. And now you'll see that his blue, wiki version is now referred to as older because I've updated it. So that is how we begin to not only fork a page, but also see where our page is in terms of being newer or older than someone else's copy of that page.